Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Sunspot stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're then going to make 1 half double crochet into that same chain with that single crochet. We're now going to start our sequence. Skip 1 chain into this next one, make a single crochet and a half double crochet into the same chain together. Skip 1 chain into the next one, make a single crochet and a half double crochet into the same chain together. You're now going to repeat this sequence until you reach the end of your row. When you reach the end of your row and you have 1 chain left, work 1 single crochet into this last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 half double crochet. We're now going to be making the same sequence that we made in our last row. We're just going to be working into stitches instead of chains. You're going to skip 1 stitch into the next one. You're going to make a single crochet and half double crochet into that same stitch together. Skip 1 stitch into the next one, make a single crochet and half double crochet into the same stitch together. Skip 1 stitch into the next one, make a single crochet and half double crochet into the same stitch together. You're now going to repeat this sequence of skipping 1 stitch, working a single crochet and half double crochet into this next stitch together until you reach the last stitch of this row. Once you get to the end of your row, if you have 2 stitches left, skip 1 like you've been doing. Make 1 single crochet into the last stitch of this row to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Sunspot stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.